Welcome to this video. So in this video I am going to teach you how to make dark theme on Gmail. So without further delay, let's get started on the video. But before that, make sure you subscribe to my channel, like the video, and comment down below what you think about this. Okay, first of all, let me go on Gmail. Okay, I'm on my Gmail, you can see. And to make a dark theme, just click on this, click on here, and go on setting, click on setting. From here, click on general setting. From here, click on theme, and you can turn it dark, or you can turn it light, or you can just make a system default. Okay, this is the how you make dark theme on Gmail. I hope you like this video. If you like what I say, subscribe to my